Meanwhile, the BJP has called a 12-hour bandh in Barakpur area today after BJP leader Manish Shukla was shot dead on Sunday evening near Titagarh in North 24 Parganas district in Bengal. BJP workers blocked the Barakpur-Barasat road at Batala area and Kalyani Expressway and they shut shops and markets observing the bandh. Situation remains tense in this area. BJP leader Kailash Vijayvargiya and Mukul Roy reached the residence of the slain BJP leader and met with his family. Governor Jagdeep Dhankar also took up the issue and summoned the Home Secretary as well as the Director General of Police to the Raj Bhavan. BJP leadership blamed the Trinamool Congress for the incident, but the ruling party has rubbished this accusation. Manogya is joining us with more details on this. Manogya, a lot of politics over this particular death that's happened. Any reaction that's come in so far from the TMC?
Well, the TMC says that the police will be taking action in it. Of course, Manoj Verma, the superintendent of police, also reached the spot and has said that investigation has been ordered. However, there is huge and massive political furor over this. Precisely understanding the leaders from Kailash Vijayvargiya to Mukul Roy to several other leaders, including the local MP Arjun Singh, who also claimed that had he been with him, he might also have been shot dead. So that is the level of allegations that are coming up one after the other. On the other hand, the governor of West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankar, has summoned the state machinery and has asked the ACS of the CS to reach out to him with a proper report and submit it on what exactly is happening in Bengal. Remember, the political battle continues. On one hand, TMC has been alleging that there have been law and order problems in other states. However, when it comes to Bengal, it's BJP that takes the lead in opposition and has been, of course, raking up the issue of the law and order problem of an ex-councillor, Manish Shukla, being shot dead in his own area. And then such kind of political furor is absolutely on the expected lines. The entire Barakpur area is facing massive protests. There are protests across the streets, with supporters squatting on the streets, and of course the traffic movement disrupted.
Okay, Manogya, thank you for getting us all those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.